Welcome to Cooking with Cohen, presented by BLK, and I am your host, Jennifer Cohen. I've been in the health and fitness business for so long, but I've never had a cooking series like this before. We're gonna have tons of healthy recipes with a lot of cool people coming on, and of course, we're gonna stay hydrated the whole time with BLK. Hi, I'm Jennifer Cohen, and I have been in the health and fitness business for a very long time, but I've never had my own cooking show. And so I am so happy to be doing Cooking with Cohen, presented by BLK. And every week I am going to bring along one of my favorite people. And today I have one of my favorite people who is a leading expert in health and fitness and one of the hosts of the podcast Mind Pump, which is one of the most popular and most downloaded fitness podcasts in the world. And this is Sal Di Stefano, who also just came out with a best-selling book a few days ago.
Yeah, the Resistance Training Revolution. Thank you for saying that.
You're very, very welcome.
So I think we're making protein-packed oats with BLK, right? And it's here's why it's good for you. First of all, oats, great for digestion. Protein, great for satiety, right? So it keeps you from wanting to overeat. And then you add the BLK drops, which are good for inflammation, good for gut health, and energy. It's got fulvic minerals, which people have been supplementing with for a very long time. So
you know a lot about BLK.
I do. I actually read about it.
Oh, well,
the other day.
And you retain information brilliantly.
Thank you. Thank
you.
So
do you have the recipe?
I do have the recipe.
All right.
So let's have some fun. So I think the first thing we're going to do is use the oats. So we're going to put the oats in the bowl. That's yours.
Okay.
So this is a 1/4 cup of oats. It's already measured for us.
Wow,
so you got to measure this yourself at home. Then we're using a tablespoon of protein powder. This is vegan protein powder. Looks like it's chocolate flavored. Yes, it is.
Okay.
So we'll throw it in there.
And so the whole thing? Okay,
the whole thing in there. So now we got a banana. So we're gonna do one ripe banana.
All right.
So you wanna open the banana, slice it up and put it in there.
And the whole thing? I can't just put this? Okay.
Slice it up and put them in there.
All right, I'm just gonna break it.
Yeah,
okay?
I don't know why I'm using
a less
knife.
fancy than you are.
It's a banana. And then we use almond milk. So this is almond milk, and we're gonna use a 1/4 cup. So this is a full cup. So I'm gonna put a 1/4 of this in there. So they're oats, protein packed with BLK, which we're gonna use in just a second. So we got that. Now we're gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon of maple syrup, which is this right here. So pour that in there.
All right, here we are.
Yeah, I like maple syrup. Too. Then we're gonna do a 1/2 tablespoon of bee pollen. You ever used bee pollen?
You know what? I have. What are the health? But tell everybody, and including me, what are the health benefits?
You know, there's some immune boosting properties from bee pollen. So using something like this has been shown to improve someone's immune system activation. So some people with allergies will find benefits from using this. I like using it because I like the way it tastes, and I also like the immune boosting properties.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and it's got a nice texture to it.
Are they readily available? Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, you can buy them at any health food store.
Okay.
1/2 tablespoon of, I think it's tablespoon, right? 1/2 tablespoon or teaspoon of baking powder. That's this right here. And then we're gonna put some drops of BLK.
Okay, good.
Yeah, so we'll put like a few drops
These
in
are good though. So basically, you can buy it in the water form, of course, but these are just if you travel or for handiness, you can just.
They're concentrated.
Yeah, they're concentrated.
Right. So I'll put 3 drops in mine.
Tell us I know this, but tell it what you think the benefits of this is.
Well, fulvic acid or fulvic minerals contain lots of trace minerals. They've been shown to reduce inflammation, help with gut health. And you know, athletes have supplemented with this for a long time. You want to use this one?
Yeah.
Athletes have been using fulvic minerals for a long time to improve recovery. So you'll hear anecdotal reports of people being less sore from using it or having improved performance. And you can see it's just a few drops that we need to add to make this legit. All right, now we're gonna do a pinch of salt. We got that right over here.
Oh, okay. Well, I could pass it to you. Or you could be rude.
I'll just reach over. Is that rude?
I'm sorry. It's not rude. I'm just teasing you.
Sorry about that.
Yes.
So now what you're gonna do is you're gonna blend this. So you got the blender right there, right?
Yes,
so
I do.
Put yours in the blender. Okay. We'll do these one at a time. So you do yours and I'll do mine.
Okay, so here we are. Thank you.
No problem.
Oops, sorry.
No problem.
It's a little messy, I apologize, but
it's cooking, right?
It's doing the job, exactly. All right.
Shake it up a little bit so that it'll mix properly when we do this.
Oh wait, I'm gonna put the rest of it in. Okay, perfect. So here we go. Why don't you tell me about your new book as I'm getting this thing worked out here?
So,
you're welcome.
My book, The Resistance Training Revolution, really is trying to talk to people about the most effective form of exercise for fat loss, for improving your health and longevity, which is resistance training. And unfortunately, resistance training has a stigma and a stereotype that it's just for bodybuilders, people want to build big muscles. That's not true at all. Not true whatsoever. It's a very effective form of exercise. That's what the book's all about. Oh, something's happening.
Is it working?
Oh no, I think we might be good.
I'm kidding. Okay.
Now. Oh yeah, look at that.
Let me see. Oh, that looks good.
Yeah. Okay. So you're gonna spray that.
Okay, good. Perfect. Yep.
And then we pour it in there. And what's supposed to happen is it's supposed to pour out. Oh, there we go.
There you go.
That one's
See?
good. Yeah.
You're a pro. Yep. Okay.
Let me get the spoon so we can get all of it out. You don't want to miss any protein, you know what I mean?
No, I know. How important is protein in someone's diet?
Actually, protein is very important. It's an essential macronutrient. Essential meaning your body can't make the essential amino acids that you find in protein. So you have to eat it. And for athletic purposes or fat loss purposes, a high protein diet is very beneficial. And it's, again, I said this earlier, it's really good at controlling or helping with appetite. High protein diets, people tend to eat less when they eat high protein diet.
And how much protein do you think someone should be eating?
Depends on the person, but if it's for maximizing the effects of protein, like I said earlier, you're looking at about 0.6 to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. So it's a pretty decent amount. So if you're a 100-pound person, 60 to 80 grams. So you can just do the math, 0.6 to 0.8 grams per pound of body weight. Now, if you're really overweight, you want to use lean body mass, meaning subtract your body fat, and that's the number you work from. Some people do better with less protein. They might have digestive issues from too much, but most people do really well with a high protein diet. So now let's add our toppings. I'm gonna use raspberries, and this looks like we have some almond slivers.
I'm gonna use pecans, depending on
how fancy you want to be.
And then I'm also gonna use blueberries. I love blueberries.
Blueberries are, it's funny, they have all these like exotic, foods and stuff that are packed full of antioxidants. Do you know blueberries have some of the highest antioxidant levels you'll find in almost any fruit?
Yeah, and you know what? That's funny you say that, because it's been talked about for so many years. I think that's the problem. People try to find other sources to make it kind of like cool or fat.
Yeah, some like weird berry from the Amazon or something. Blueberries.
Exactly.
Just get some blueberries.
But blueberries work great.
All right, so we're gonna take these, we're gonna put them in the oven, 350, 20 to 25 minutes. They should rise. Then we're gonna pull them out. We're gonna let them cool for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we'll see what they look like.
You should have your own cooking show.
Okay. Welcome to the Sal Cooking Show starring Jen Cohen.
I love it.
All right, so we took the bowls out
we did.
Of the oven. Ooh, nice and warm. Look how nice that looks. Doesn't that look good?
This looks really good.
Yeah, so by the way, the bowls are different because the producer said, let's get better looking bowls. So just in case you're wondering why this changed all of a sudden. Same thing though, it's the same thing. And it rose a little bit. So we baked it, so it's like this nice texture. You can see that when you push your spoon in there. Yeah, isn't that nice?
Yeah. It's not what I was expecting.
Yeah, I'm gonna taste a little bit of this right now. See how ours came out. Oh, look at that, huh?
You go first.
Yeah. It's like a dessert. Legit like a dessert. Like you'd eat this at the end of the night. Absolutely.
Okay.
You can eat more than that if you want.
I'm scared.
No, go for it.
All right.
You're not gonna mess up your diet. Isn't that great?
Good. Yeah,
it's really good. I like to wash it down with BLK water.
Yes. What kind do you have? This is
yuzu. This is a Japanese-inspired fruit.
A Japanese-inspired
fruit.
So this one is strawberry rhubarb. This is my favorite one.
You gotta shake it before you drink it. But it goes good together. Sip on this after.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for coming on. First of all, let me try it one more time.
You're gonna try one more time?
Yeah. But I want to say that thank you so much for being a guest. You were an amazing guest.
Oh, thank you.
You were so knowledgeable. It was a pleasure having you. And you guys should be, if you guys are watching this, please subscribe to the BLK channel and let us know if you're going to try this protein-packed baked oats recipe and leave a comment and tell us how you like it. And follow us at The Real Jen Cohen and
at Mind Pump Sal. It's on Instagram, or you can find me on the Mind Pump podcast. Subscribe to this channel because they have a lot of good stuff, like cooking with Cohen and other great information.
with guests like you.
Thank you. I hope to come back.
With recipes like this, you'll be invited all the time.
You know what? If you want me to come back, leave a comment. Let them know.
Yes.
Say, we want Sal on this channel.
Absolutely. There'll be thousands of comments.
Maybe I'll do it.
Thank you. We could do a book giveaway even.
Okay.
Yeah.
I like that.
Yeah, I like
Thank
it
you.
too. Okay, let's eat our food. Bye.